What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a deep dive into one of the most talked about side-by-sides in the industry, the CFMOTO ZFORCE 1000 Sport R. You've seen it tear up trails and fly over dunes, but have you ever wondered why this machine is so popular? Why, in a market dominated by big names, is CFMOTO carving out such a massive space? Well, we're going to walk you through its key features, top to bottom, and find out exactly what makes it a fan favorite. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention, the look. The ZFORCE 1000 Sport R has this aggressive, angular styling that just screams performance. Those sharp lines and bold LED headlights give it a modern, almost futuristic feel that stands out from the competition. This isn't just a utilitarian vehicle, it's a statement. Now for the heart of the beast. Pop open the hood, and you'll find a 963 cubic centimeters V-twin, liquid-cooled engine that produces a muscular 90 horsepower. This is a significant jump from previous models and a huge reason for its popularity. That power is delivered through a seamless CVT automatic transmission, with both sport and normal modes, giving you the flexibility to either get wild on the trails or cruise comfortably. And with features like a Bosch electronic fuel injection system, you get precise throttle control for both high-speed runs and technical, slow-speed crawling. Performance isn't just about the engine, it's about how the whole package works together. The ZFORCE 1000 Sport R comes standard with a 64-inch stance, giving it a wide, stable platform for high-speed cornering and challenging off-camber terrain. But the real game-changer is the suspension. You've got an independent dual A-arm front suspension and a multi-link rear, both equipped with fully adjustable gas shocks. What does that mean for you? It means you can fine-tune the compression and rebound with ease, even tool-free on some models, to handle everything from rocky trails to fast, sandy terrain. Plus, with a 340mm, 13.4-inch ground clearance, you'll be able to clear most obstacles with confidence. Now let's talk about the cabin. Slide inside and you'll find a cockpit designed for the driver. The sport seats are supportive, the flat-bottom sport steering wheel feels great in your hands, and you've got a modern 5-inch TFT digital display. It's not just a screen, it's your command center, offering different layouts for normal and sport modes and even connecting to the CFMOTO Ride app for additional data. With standard features like electronic power steering, a 3,500 pounds winch, and a full roof kit, the ZFORCE 1000 Sport R gives you a level of ready-to-ride value that is unmatched in the segment. It's that combination of premium features at a competitive price point that makes this vehicle so popular. You're getting the performance and the technology you'd expect from the big players, but without the high-end price tag. It's the perfect blend of power, style, and value. The CFMOTO ZFORCE 1000 Sport R has become a favorite by offering a complete package of aggressive styling, a powerful engine, advanced adjustable suspension, and a full suite of standard features, all at a price that opens up the sport to more enthusiasts. I'd be happy to create a structured list of the key specifications, or an in-depth comparison of the ZFORCE 1000 Sport R to its main competitors. Which of those would be most helpful for you?